this app, any smart now, you have to bring app from boat to in-drive, from in-drive to different app. Not be every state that they use all those apple. Are they for Kenya, for Kogi State? Other boats, I put about 78. They carry me go native to us. Kogi State, very funny state. Now Kogi State, I go dinner. I go MC dinner. Kogi State. They give us small juju as souvenir. One woman, they complain, say the juju too small, you know, if you gala people.
Funny Bruno come here, they tell you about Kogi State. See who no grow for Kogi. Bloody civilian. Now we will go Kogi, we go tell you. Now Kogi State 2 weeks ago, I see where EFCC go arrest one DPO. Why? The DPO collect loan from Papi, use police station as collateral. Kogi, you can never mess with Kogi State, no worry.
Not me last week, native doctor they sick. Now medical doctor save him. Na collabo, this life na collabo. What did they make native doctor they get infection? What did they do? What did native doctor work? Work not in this country. Any work why they hold, any work why they do whole and well. Oh. One of my guy na the guy na they so. He never reach even their level. Even this one I work and I go there. All these upcoming fashionistas and I go they trade the well. You can hungry work some of them. That guy they sew in the afternoon, they do picky pocket for night. As not like this, what they because they say leave that one. That one a ritualist. Don't be only clothy they sew. So even if you see where they gossip you, you know some people don't believe that they clothy they sew. One guy they put a verse and I said that don't put your name for that just lover list. You know so that he pay poor people. Now poor, my brother, this like get money. That list so that say any poor person. I what they did there, you poor now. Say we know they there. You know the people where they need the like the body they sweet them. Not be because what they talk say they bill, but they need trend.
Just my show flyer where then display where Shevo the see. He called me go one corner. He say I will not be around, but take 1 million naira. I will support you. No, na clap for Shevo. He's a good man. He's a good man. Shevo the man don't ride you before. Collect. Because it's the way you do for me now. Waiting your able to know if you do for us. Eh? I swear to God. Just make love to me. Somebody say, until you near me outside. You go really know, say, no worry.
I remember you, sir. You help people for a living. Where you are coming here today, you wanted to help someone, right? You have it in mind to help someone. So why are you changing your mind? When you want help, never come stage. I need help. 3 girls get belly for me. I tell 2 say me that I bought and the third one born triplet.
Oh, what country are you from? Algeria. Syria. Good. Them put some more chop for you. No chop. Oh. Hunger day. Una no go know. Una see the maintain steez. Tinubu never happened to una. For Tinubu regime now, nobody they enjoy. Food now, of course. Now only madman they enjoy. Free food. If madman hungry now, you go dustbin. Buffet.
Oh, but I didn't work where they do for this country. Whole lot work. No work anywhere. Is they work anywhere? For Karimu now, you get one policeman for daytime and police for 90. They say popcorn.
One of my neighbor, she they do hookup. She get 12 years hookup experience. I say make her go advise her. Say the money where she they make na vanity upon vanity. As I advise her, why I won't come up from her room, now she give me $100. I don't know when I tell my sister, God bless your hustle. No, because Kogi State, I see one popular church, I will not mention the name of the church. Then they dance outside their church. After Sunday service, then they throw pastor up, they catch him. I say, make I go ask them, what happened? Somebody born triplet, they say no. Person proposed, they say no. One they jubilate. Now they tell me, say they are pastor. Their own general overseer win motor for Henneken competition. Whatever you need to do, avoid motivational speakers in Abuja. They are the worst thing that can happen to you. One motivational speaker met me and said, Razaq, do you know at your age I was already a millionaire? I said, how did you do it? He said, because I started my poultry farm with one chicken. As I'm talking to you, I have plenty chicken. I say, how? He says, starve yourself. Me we get osa. That was October last year. I listened to the man advice. I started my own poultry farm too, ladies and gentlemen, with one chicken. As I'm talking to you, December, hunger beat me, I chopped the chicken.
This continent cannot commit suicide anymore. My friend got by poison last week now. They say poison 72. The guy know why, you don't know why I tell the guys, I better sell for me credit. Who they say poison? They say, but you go sue that. I say, my brother, where they alive, go pay. This country, people just study a year course for school. My other brother study civil engineer. Today, they work for civil defense. Civil day inside Abi. Think I'm happy? My dad sister won't kill himself. I want to become accountant. Now say go study accounting. Today she cannot give account of her life. She be CEO for WhatsApp now.
No, allow anybody deceive you. I was talking about Kogi State. Kogi State is one of the best states in Nigeria. Somebody say, oh, I knew it was going to happen. Just that there are some certain things I don't really like about the state. Now, Kogi State, I did travel one day with one nursing mother inside bus. She dey breastfeed picking of that kind 3 to 4 months. I know say those kind children, they know they feel hold breast with their hand. As our motor just they approach one place where then they call Okeneway Road no good. The moment our motor begin jump from one pothole to another, now so the breast come up from the picking mouth, enter my mouth. Man, no like the milk sweet oh.